How to make vanilla almond coffee, a delicious homemade recipe. Hey, coffee aficionados. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're brewing up a delightful treat for you, vanilla almond coffee. It's smooth, aromatic, and absolutely heavenly. So, let's get started and make your mornings a little sweeter. Ingredients: 2 cups of freshly brewed coffee, 1/4 cup of almond milk, 2 tablespoons of vanilla syrup, 1/4 teaspoon of almond extract, whipped cream, optional, sliced almonds for garnish. Instructions. Step 1. Brew your coffee. Begin by brewing 2 cups of your preferred coffee. Whether it's espresso, drip, or French press, make it just the way you like it. Step 2. Warm the almond milk in a small saucepan. Heat 1/4 cup of almond milk over low heat until it's warm but not boiling. This will help infuse the almond flavor into your coffee. Step 3. Add flavorings. Once your coffee is brewed, pour it into a mug. Stir in 2 tablespoons of vanilla syrup to add that sweet, aromatic vanilla flavor. Then, add 1/4 teaspoon of almond extract for that delightful nuttiness. Step 4. Mix it up. Next, gently pour the warm almond milk into the coffee mixture. Give it a good stir to ensure all the flavors are nicely combined. Step 5. Garnish and serve. For an extra touch of indulgence, top your vanilla almond coffee with a dollop of whipped cream and a sprinkle of sliced almonds. Step 6. Enjoy your creation now. Grab your favorite mug, cozy up, and take a moment to enjoy the heavenly aroma and rich flavor of your homemade vanilla almond coffee. And there you have it, folks. A delicious vanilla almond coffee that's sure to brighten up your mornings. Give this recipe a try and let us know how it turns out in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mouthwatering recipes. Until next time, happy brewing.
Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.